Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno5 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this smartphone. First of all, you need to download your new default app. So go into Play Store, click on the search bar, and I will go with Opera, so I have to download Opera. I already have it, and instead of opening it, click Home button. Then go into Settings and tap on App Management over here. Then select default apps, and for example, if you wish to change your browser app, like me, click on Browser App section, select one of those browsers. I want to go with Opera Mini, so I have to tap on it and simply go back. As you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!